Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do SEO on a Wix website. If you're looking to make your website more visible and improve your search engine ranking, this guide is exactly what you need. So let's dive into this process together. Before we start, it's important to understand that SEO isn't just about ranking higher. It's also about helping your audience find your content easily. Wix provides built-in tools that simplify SEO, even if you're a beginner. And following these steps will give your website a much better chance of appearing on Google and other search engines. First up, you need to head over to wix.com and log into your account. Once you've logged in, look for the option labeled Site and Mobile App on your dashboard. Clicking on this will take you to another set of options where you can begin optimizing your site's search engine capabilities. A quick tip: while you're on the dashboard, make sure your site is connected to your domain. Google performs much better with custom domains, and Wix allows easy domain connections right from the same panel. Next, navigate to the SEO and Geo section. This area is where you can start configuring your website's SEO settings, which are vital for increasing your site's visibility on search engines like Google. From here, you want to locate and click on the Start Setup button. This is an essential step, as it initiates the Wix SEO Setup Wizard, which is designed to guide you through the necessary adjustments and improvements you'll be making. The SEO Setup Wizard is extremely helpful because it gives you recommendations tailored to your website's category, industry, and goals. It checks things like your homepage SEO, your keywords, and whether your site is ready for indexing. Once you've initiated the setup, you'll then see an option to get started. Clicking this will take you to a series of prompts and forms where you will begin entering crucial information about your brand. Here's where the magic starts. You'll be able to specify the keywords you want to rank for, describe your business, and optimize how your homepage displays on Google search results. Take your time here. Strong keywords and accurate brand details can significantly boost your ranking. As you work through the steps, Wix will automatically generate personalized SEO tasks. Some of these tasks may include optimizing page titles, meta descriptions, image alt text, URL structure, and more. Completing each task helps improve your site's SEO score within the Wix platform. And that wraps up today's tutorial. I hope this guide helped you understand how to do SEO on your Wix website and gave you the confidence to start boosting your visibility on search engines. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you never miss future tutorials. If you have any questions or want me to cover more Wix SEO topics, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.